Hello. Fuck. Okay, it's fine. Don't worry. Use 2 hours maybe. This is 2 minutes. 10, 11, 12. Yeah, that's good. Then you get 4 hours on this test, I think. Why is scopes and by ray utsatt? Input. Okay, I think I get 4 hours, so we can do the more difficult version, yeah, into and get everything correct. I think we're good. Then I can shell a bit. Yeah. I expect we will. How do I change color mode? That's fine. Double click this. Okay. I'm ready. Let's fucking go. Vim is open. Right. Vim is open. Timer is good. Chat is open. Okay, let's go. Blah blah blah. Blah 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 blah. Da har vi definert 4 variabler som følger. Tabellen nedenfor står det en del uttrykk hvordan noe vil kunne beregnes og få en verdi, mens andre vil gi en feilmelding. For hver rad, se på uttrykket til venstre og kryss av hvilke datatyper resultatet vil bli, eller velg error dersom uttrykket gir feilmelding. Ingen minuspoeng for feil svar, så du bør svare usikker. Ok. En. Hva er det? A. Ok, sånn her. A. Har vi en liste ganger en float. Det vil enten gange listen med 3, eller gange hvert ledd med 3. Jeg tror det blir error. N remainder 5 vil gi en int. Har vi noe mer? Nei. Vi har 2 remainder, så det blir 0, så det har 2 remainder. Ja. T minus 1. Ikke slice, prøve å hente. Hvorfor må vi kunne disse tingene her? Det kan at dette er det siste elementet, så det er 3 som er string. N ganger x. Det er float S X 301 string bool list int error float string abc ef 8 delt på 2 er 4. Jeg tror det er int. Kan at det er float. T pluss N det er error. Ikke nødvendigvis. Det kan bli faktisk en string pluss N. Så hvis jeg string altså. T ganger N. Jeg tror også error. Disse må jeg pugge også. Disse tallene kan jeg presenteres eksakt som enten heltall eller flyttall i Python. For hvert tall sett kryss i kolonne. Ok. Da tar vi A eksakt, ok. Ikke X A, B, altså ikke delt på 2,5 pluss nei, 3 virker veldig vanskelig, jeg tror det ikke er eksakt 2 opphøyd i minus 1000, det er eksakt eksakt ikke sant? Blir det en del på 2 opphøyd i et tall. En del på 2, da får du, det er eksakte tallet. Da deler du på 2. Kanskje ikke faktisk. 64 bits. 10.000, 2 opphøyd i 10.000. Hvordan spørsmål er det egentlig? Jeg tror det kan gjøre begge. Okay. Se det eksakt. 0,0002. Det blir 0,525 1,2,5 opp til 2,5. Det er vanskelig. Jeg vet ikke. Det skal jeg se. Minus 1,25 er eksakt. For eksempel, det er minus som første biten. 1 er fair, 2,25 er bare 0,1 tror jeg. Is-funksjonen som viser under, i tabellen viser hvilken rad. Jeg kaller funksjonen viser mulig returnverdier. Hva skal jeg gjøre det her? Bra måte da. Kan jeg tegne? Ok, jeg kan skrive egentlig. Så ok. Ta en tekst og en X. For bokstaven i teksten. For nummeret til bokstaven i teksten, om bokstaven er en digit. Continue. Det så slicer vi opp til om det er en digit, return. Return X, return X, X, return X, 0, 0. Er det en digit? Continue. Continue, bare skipper over dette. Så hopper den. Den prøver å slice fra i oppdaterer, så den prøver å slice fra når det ikke er lenger en digit, så da sier H til current. Altså den prøver å gjøre den om til int. Om det er en value error, så setter den det er lik 1. Om bokstaven er R, så plusser den, nei, så trekker den fra bokstaven R, så plusser den på 1. Om det er den plusser på nummeret om det er en nummer, eller så plusser den på 1. Om det er en L, så fjerner den. Om det er et nummer, så fjerner den nummeret. Om det ikke er det, så fjerner den 1. Så legger den til I er neste steg fra J. Ok. Dette var en jævlig dårlig kode. Jeg tror vi bare ser hva som skjer med hver av de. Så 12. If is digit, continue. If is digit, continue. Så X er 0. Så A er 0. B, hello, har vi ingen. What's going on? I have an exam Monday. I need to practice. It's like fucked up programming questions. We have spent 10 minutes. Yeah, okay. We have no integers, so we can just skip this. It will try to convert something to integer. It will always fail, so D is always set to 1. If R or no, if letter is R, it's not never R. If letter is L, it will remove D, which is 1, from X. We have two L's. We have initial condition of X set to 0. So this will be -2. Okay. LR. Add 1 for R, remove 1 for L. We haven't given X, so this is error. Um, 3L to R, 1, 3, we'll skip 1. We have L, it's not an integer, so D is 1. We have L, so X -1, so we have 0. Yeah, I know. 2-digit continue R +1, so we're back to 1. So this is 1. Also, this is the exam for students who fail, so they have like a new chance exam. So this is considerably more difficult. So the exam isn't going to be this difficult. Two R, 3L. Also, I don't like how they have these letters here. That makes me wonder if I'm doing it incorrectly. I. Where is I? D. If I to J is an integer, D is that integer. Okay, I might have made a mistake earlier. So let's go back to this. 3L, no, this will break it. Okay, slice from 0 to J. J is 0, so we just get 3. So D is actually 3. So D is 3. This is at index 0, or J is equal to 0. So J is equal to 0, which means 3, if 3 is equal to R. Boom, boom, fail, I. So in the exam they won't let you code this function, and instead you have to do it all by memory like that. That's crazy. Yeah. Also, this is not even the worst thing. I think this is more difficult. This thing, you need to like know what data types you get. This you just need to memorize. It's like, why the fuck would you know this? Like 0.3, can you represent that exactly? Like my initial intuition is not, because you will have like 0.1 would be 0.5, which means 0.1 would be 0.25, which means we need a 1, which would be 0.3. No. It's like 425. 425. If you have 0, it would have 0. No, it seems like we can't represent 0.3 exactly. Like, but this is difficult. I don't know. I need to just focus in. So D at J is equal to 0 is 3. That's fair, but these conditions won't trigger. So we go to the next one, at j is equal to 1. It's not a digit. Oh, by the way, 3 would have made this skip an iteration. So I is equal to 0 now, and j is equal to 1. It's not a digit. It will try to slice from 0 to 1. This might actually slice. Damn, okay, I can't do this in an exam, but we will do this right now, just to test it. I need to test. Just say var is equal to. Okay, var. Okay, we want to slice var from 0 to 1. Now, I initially thought this would slice from index 0 to index 1, so it will be 1, 2. But then this whole code block doesn't make sense. So I think this might actually only be 1, and that this 0, 0 would return a fail. So this I'm expecting returns fail or something like that. Another new var is equal to var 0, 1 will return 1. Yes. Okay. This means I couldn't do that on exam, but this means that this might even be incorrect. Is digit continuous? No, this is correct. This will never trigger a digit, so we don't need to worry about that. We don't need to worry about this. Okay, so I0 and J is 1. This means that D is actually 3 now, which means at index 1, which means L, we take minus 3, so X minus, we have, okay, A, B, C, D, we have X, which is 1 minus 3, which is minus 2. This will be triggered, so now I will be basically J. Yeah, I will be J for the next iteration. Yeah, which means this will be space, blah blah blah. This will be 2R, which means D is 2. So X plus 2, which will result in 0. Yes, so we get 0, okay. E, the space will reset, but this is 0, so I think this is just plus 2 minus 3, so minus 1. It could be incorrect, but this will take me a while to figure out if it's not correct. Nothing. You have no text. Range len 0. Return X. So this will, I'm guessing, just 0. Can you have range 0? Oh, this might be error. This is Python. I don't feel like it's gonna show an error. We'll try fail value D. I won't do anything. Quit the for loop. Return X. This is just 0, I think. Okay. Given this, write what will be written as a code is executed. AB. Maybe we can check if we got the right answers. I'm gonna do that after a test. Or if you want me to, I guess I can. It might be annoying to not know the answers before. Okay, we'll pause the timer to make it fair. It makes sense after, but yeah, you might be. I'm gonna do it this time. This is just an image, I can't even copy it. Okay, we do print fu12 0 print f node. What the fuck? Copy line, paste. LR function missing, so that was an error, good. That was correct at least. Okay. So we get 0 minus 2 error, 0 minus 1 0. That was correct. Good shit. Okay. Very nice. That's a confidence boost. So 4. That's very impressive. Thank you. Damn. Oh no. Okay, so global will update B. So first, okay. We first will have printf global G will run. Print B is equal to 4. So print A, so this will be 1, 4. G is done. Print A will be 2. Print B will be 3. Print A will be 1. Print B, which is set to global, which is now 3. Okay. It can be shown mathematically that the following is true for all real numbers x, and where h is not equal to 0. Okay, so the derivative is equal, you can rewrite it as this. If x is a real number and h is not 0, okay. The left side and the right side is implemented as two functions in Python, f1 and f2. Input the functions take 64-bit integers. Assume, for simplicity, that every input is positive. What's the correct and wrong? What's correct and what's wrong with these statements? Okay. f1 and f2 will always return the same values for the same input values, since they are mathematically equal. Always, where x is always positive and h is not, which means 1 over square root will probably make this difficult. Let's think about this. I'll be right back. My intuition is false. I couldn't think of a way to, I guess, prove it. This is safe, divided by h. Yeah, I'm gonna say false. Yes. That sounds plausible, at least. f1 will have large rounding errors if x is equals to 1 and h is equal to... So divide by a very small number, which will make this go to infinity. Yeah, that seems possible. These ones are just feelings. I'm not going to be able to prove this. If h is very small, we will have large rounding errors in f1s, since we divide by h. Uavhengig av. This is false, since we h. No, wait, maybe not. Independent of our x, small x. Okay, I'm gonna say true actually, but this one. Everyone can... f1 could have value of 0, even though both input values could be positive. Yes, true. f1 is given F1 gives the least running errors. That's false. Dude, I didn't like that exercise. Like, how the fuck would you know this? We have the following code. Given the code above, what will be written in the following print statements? NumPy array, range. Reshape and reshapes and end the array according to the values in lines and rows. The reshape method does not change the original array, instead it returns a reshaped copy. That's an image of. Okay, returns a copy. Right. I have no idea what this does. Arrange. Creates a vector starting at start, ending at, but not including stop, using step between the values. This is an array. Maybe it'll create a 2 by 2 array of the values 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Maybe it's not. I was not including, right? Ending at, but not including. Okay, so that makes sense. Okay. So this will give us 7, 8, 9, 10. And make a 7, 8, 9, 10 array, I think. A reshape -1. What the fuck was that? Lines, rows. Holy fuck. If reshape, is this an error? The mean A, holy fuck. -1. C is now. Maybe it collapses the function. Maybe it's an error. Print C5. Okay, let's just say it collapses. Okay. Okay. So #6 is the fifth element. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is 6, I think. So A, B, C, D is 6. I think. 2 max A axis 0. Axis. Which axis? This is default by. Maybe this is an axis, this is an axis. Maybe max of this, maybe it's 3. I don't fucking know. A. It's not even that. It's not even one of the questions. Fuck. It's not even asking max, it's asking mean. So we have 6 divided by 3, 2. 2 is not even an option. Mean. No, that's a mean. There's a median value. So it's 2, even still. Mean value. A, 3. Mean A. Okay, it's probably the mean of the whole thing. It's either 3 or 4. Could be round, maybe. Maybe it's 3.5, maybe it's an error. Okay, let's say it's 3.5. Wait, I'm stupid. Let's follow this. Which means that hashtag 1, which would be F, will be 3.5. A will be hashtag 2, which means max A axis 0, which is 3. Which is not enough. Maybe axis 0 is this axis, so it's maybe of 1 of 6. Maybe it's 6. Maybe it's max. NP max, let's say. NP max. This is fucked, you know? The mean A. The middle value. 3.5, yeah. So A is hashtag 2. Max A axis 0 is 3. Sum A axis 1. Maybe axis 0 is an error, and axis 1 is the first one, which means the sum is 6. Fuck. First axis. Oh, is this multi-dimensional array? Yeah. I have absolutely no idea. This will probably return the max of an array. We're passing array A, which is to the array. We're looking at the axis 0, which is probably this thing. So max will give us 3. If it does not, this means that the axis might be the columns, which means it could be 4. That's not the answer. Which means axis 0 is an error, which means axis 1 would be the first column, and axis 2 would be the second array, I mean. So I'm gonna give this an error. I'm not sure, but okay, 5. shape C. Shape C. Error. Okay, reshape 2, 2. So this is 2 by 2 probably. C is collapse of this, which is 1, which just makes sense apparently. Maybe 6 elements and 0. Maybe that can make sense. So B is 6. Okay. 4. Concatenate AB axis 1. Concatenate. What does that mean again? Concatenate. I've heard that before. Concatenate. No range. Yeah. I don't know concatenate though. Concat. Yeah, it doesn't give us so far. So it does something to both array A and B. They are different sizes. Axis 1. Concatenate. Maybe it's like in your algebra or something. Or concatenate. Maybe it turns A into a 2 by 2 array. Concatenate the number. So basically remove the number. So this removes. Okay, let's fuck it. Cool. Join a sequence of arrays along an existing axis. The arrays must be the same shape except in the dimension corresponding to the axis differs. So this won't work. This will give us an error. Okay. This is a 2 by 2, which wouldn't work in either direction. So this means 4, which is C, would give error, I think. Six print C, this collapse 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6. Oh no, this is E, which is 1. Mean A. F is hashtag 3. Sum A axis 1. This is either 6 or so axis 1 is probably this. So this probably gave error, yeah. So this is 3 is probably 6. Which means D. D6 is also 6. Oh, this will give error actually. Oh no, I probably won't. Reshape, no. Damn. I have a lot of error. V6 there. I'm not written this ones. This is 15. This is 6. So max a axis 0 could be max mean a mean a mean a concatenate AP. Should we assume that each corresponds to 1? I think we could do that. Which means concatenate. So this is hashtag 4, which is C, gives 4, 5, 6, 9, 10. I will give hashtag 2, A, 2, 6, and 15. Hashtag 5, okay, D, 6, and 3. 4, 5, 6. Max. Shape C. Print C5. C5. Maybe max axis, so hashtag 2. Four, 5, 6. What could make 4, 5, 6? Mean A. Mean A. Max A. I think max A could be it. But max A axis 0. Det måste man tro att ta med det. 6 and 3. Sum. You know what? Let's take hashtag, so F will make 6, 15. A, we will make 4, 5, 6. The rest is good. Okay. 6. Yeah, okay. So basically, max A will take the largest array. B, hashtag 5, shape C, would create six, 0 is one-dimensional 6 elements. So 6 doesn't make sense for this one, okay. C4 concatenate 8B, then we join this with 7, 8, 9, 10. And it's missing 2 dimensions for some reason. This is a 2 by 2, so this could make sense as well. Okay, I think we're good. Right. Okay, I think this part we write code. Okay. Write a function. Hello, good sir. Hello, hello. You are a good sir as well. Return number. Okay. Are you studying computer science? No, I'm studying physics, but we have computer science courses as well. If number is digit, didn't we have this from earlier? That's right. Nice. Is digit, yes. Is digit, looks good, okay. Okay. If number is digit, return number, else print, wait, number is equal to input str. Guess what? Oh, that wouldn't work. Can we try? Since right here they're taking. I guess I can expand tech into physics as well. Yeah. They're taking the item in the array or in the text, but you still have and converting it to stitches. Yeah, no, it will convert. Okay. So then we can do input. Not really understand the language of the question. No, it's basically input a number. If it's a number, return a number. If not, force or rewrite, basically. Please input valid number. Number is equal to this. No, that won't work. Yeah, wait, while yeah, it work, right? Please input on. Yeah, I think it'll work. This will be 7. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. While not number digits, that would work as well. That's probably a better way of doing it, but it's fine. We're halfway into the time spent. Damn. Okay, I'm gonna hurry. Also remember, I'm spending half the time given. and then you get 90% correct. A box with width, height, and the last dimension will be put in another box with different dimensions, I guess. The box can be rotated, all values, to make it fit into the other box. It will also fit if the measurements are equal. So if it's all the same width, it will fit, basically. Yeah. With the function fit, that takes 3 in 2 tuples, one of the box and one for another box it will fit into. It will return true if it could fit, else false. Example. Oh. Okay, we're not even gonna write the code. We're gonna select alternatives, but we won't even get the alternatives since it's PDF. Okay. I guess we'll write the code ourselves. Okay. What the fuck? So we have a new tuple with sorted box. I'm not even sure what this asks for. You know what, if I can make this myself, then it's assumed that I could do this as well. Okay. Okay. Sort. That example is messed up, yeah. Sort box. All in one parenthesis. Yeah, no, this is fucked, yeah. The sort box. I'm not even sure if we can sort a tuple. I don't think you can sort a tuple, which means we will make a copy. Which means this will be list str sort yeah. Why is this an error? Sort box to list for I in sort box. I guess we do for I index in sort box enumerate if yeah, that's fine. If sort box index is smaller than or equal to sort box 2 index if it's not, this Python, if not true, return false. Return true. Yeah. There are some tests. Yeah. Print fit. They had the test 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Print. Let's try with 1, 2, 3. 2, 2, 2. Also test case, maybe 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 4. This should also fit. RIP. There's no way I don't get like points from that. That's basically correct. It's basically sort box. No, okay. Non-object type is non-integrable. Enumerate. Is it index I? Sort box list. Is this not a copy? None. I thought you can do this. Maybe make it a list with list. You mean the other way? So you have like something like this. In enumerate. I don't understand. So it's iterable. But wouldn't that just be the same as from earlier? It also needs to be sorted. Right, but the problem is with these two lines, not this one. Almost. So then the sort one is the problem, maybe. Rearranges the elements of list so they appear in ascending order. Voice. Ascending order. Works in place. Oh shit. Sort box. Sort. Damn, okay. Why would it make something like that? There we go, okay. So this was a problem. It returns a none. It will... What? Who would make something like that? That's so unintuitive. It will do like a sort list, it will create a copy, not like... Okay, maybe not. Maybe I'm just reaching out. I don't know. Okay, so... True, false, true. And the main. This should fit, this should not fit, this should fit. Yeah, we get it. Okay. Yeah, that's correct. Good shit, halfway. Plot, okay. Function plot data fun, time for the data. X and Y. So data is dots, fun is plot, line, okay. Import. What the fuck will import? Numpy is numpy, okay. Import matplotlib pyplot as plt, I'm guessing. So this will be as plt, yeah. Def plot data fun x min would be equal to it will be equal to data data 1 min data 1, I think. Can we see max data min data 0 min data 0. These are the y values. No, these are x values. Okay, so this is min data 1. 0, yeah. Okay. Okay, good shit. X max is max data 0. Which we have here. Yeah, good. X. Oh, what the fuck? I think of it. It's probably X is probably PLT. No, what? PLT.plot is equal to fun. Plot. What the fuck? X is not. X should be equal to X values, but you could. I guess you could say X is equal to PLT plot. Data 0, data 1 as red dot was it? So is that like OR or something? R maybe? A dot? How do I get dot? But PLT dot? This will be like plot. Should be equal to the function. Like data sin. Oh, yeah, that's probably correct. Yeah. Fun is the function, yeah. Okay. Fun doesn't take in anything, does it? Do we even have it there? Fun X. Okay. So this is fun. X will be data 0. Do we have a fun? Why is it? No. Oh no, it's probably NP range. Okay. So this will be NP range from X min, X max. I'm guessing 100 since it says 100 right there. So these are our X values. Plot PLT plot, it could be. Label, probably not data. NumPy X max range data. I guess we'll do PLT dot plot. We have X, and then we have fun X, and this will be blue. B is equal to fun. Is equal to fun. Shouldn't. No, this label equal to fun. Label. Yeah, label equal to fun. The plot the data 0. No, this is plot scatter, I think. Data 0, data 1. This is red. This is label is equal to labels equal to data. Is equal to. There is a mistake here. Label data. Label data. So X is data. This is equal to data. But there's no other data here. Data is capitalized. Data. Labels equal to data. So label is equal to data. Oh. Okay, so this is plot show and max data. Plot subplots, I guess. No. This is plot. Oh, that's not even axis. We haven't created an axis. Oh, no, okay. X plot X fun X. This is this one. Which means this one is fuck. Do we even have a scatter? Oh no, this, okay. So this is legend. And Peeling space. I think this one is. I would get this one if I could drag and drop. I'm unable to keep track of what I have used and not used. I think this would be easier if I could drag and drop. Pilot, actually. I'm gonna call this a crit. Tactical. Move on to the next question. And hope that I can show me the data. This is the data. Right, okay. Moving on. Damn, all of these ones are harder when I have to write them out. Create a function. Takes in a string as input and returns a book or dictionary with the data from the file. Key should be the date. The value should be the NumPy array with the length 24. One for each hour. If there's no data for an hour, it should be equal to 0. Damn, okay. How do you return type? Is this like a dictionary? Internal list, can predict. Maybe we can do like this. Allowed. Okay. Okay. Data is equal to np load txt file name. Delimiter is equal to this thing, I think. Heralding with open. Damn, is there no way for me to... Yeah, this doesn't help. Okay. I would like to see what it says here. Since this is way easier when you can just choose. So, okay, let's just pretend like we're doing this. So creating a dictionary. We're not creating a dictionary. What the fuck is this? This is a tuple of non-empty array. So, okay, so this will be an array with time, I guess. Okay, let's read what this says. Okay, so this is the key. I have absolutely no fucking idea what this is. I'm assuming this is empty dictionary. With open, this will be. No, this will not be open. Yes, it would be. But oh, okay. Oh, these are the choices you can make. So the parentheses here doesn't make sense. Okay, then I can easily do this. Okay, let's fucking go. Vim fucking me. Okay. So this is 10. So A is dictionary. B is open file name as open file name as F. C F dot read line. D for line in F. Oh damn! This one throws me off. I think you can do this, but I would prefer not having this undoing for line. No, this doesn't even make sense. So this is for line in F. Okay. For line in F. Date time usage will be line split dot strip would remove the space. I don't think we want to do that. Split line dot strip. Why is why do I want to strip it? I don't see why I would strip it. So I'm gonna do line split. So. Date will be date time. Date will be a string. F string date time slice after 10. Hour will be, I don't know what to do hour. This is probably a string. Could not be though. Okay, I want to do date time dot split 1. So we want this to be string. Yeah, string. This will be date time 1. If date element of d if date in d if date not in d, add date. L add we set date, right? Date will be zeros and date will be hour. Hour is string date time split 1. So we have the date. Okay, yeah. Okay, and then equal. Is this equal to? Oh yeah, the hour is equal to P. Okay, so the hour is equal to we're setting hours. Okay, and we want the hour to be equal to usage, which would be float but usage is never set anywhere, is it? This code is wrong, I think. It feels wrong, but it's the most correct I can get it, I think. Damn, this was 11, 12, 14, 15, 17. This is difficult, holy shit. Okay. Ich finde nicht gewollt, was. I'm guessing. Doing this. And is equal to. What will make sense? And it's like, and it's a count, so this is 0. Count of changed numbers. Keep this in mind, okay. This is a for loop. So you want to loop over numbers. So we have this one and this one we can choose between. I like this one better. I don't like it, I don't like it. And we load text A could be something else, could it? Load text file name, read file A with A open. Do we have something with A open? With A open as? No. So it has to be this, okay. This is a double nested for loop, so okay, let's write in what we want. Okay, so 4 line. So now we're looping over the line, okay. We're not even doing that. How the fuck would I know that? Okay, this is definitely inside, so I don't understand it yet, but we will write it out and then we'll think about it. Okay, in range len a I minus 1. I'm quite sure this is here. For loops are for suckers, yeah. Oh, I hate this. Like, it's on purpose bad written code to test if you're good at coding, but this doesn't reflect if you're good at coding. I might actually, I take it back. This might actually be a good way to test it. But load text. I'm not even sure what this does. This is a text file is loaded. It's how would you loop over text file? Do we assume that this is will be turned into is the contents of an ASCII text file into an array? Separated by spaces. So how would this even make sense? Oh, are we looking? We might be looking for. No, we're not looking for line break. So we wouldn't know when there's a new line. Uh, Return them as NumPy array. Maybe it's a 2D. Maybe it's like a multi-dimensional array. So this is actually just the first line. Okay, then this would make sense. This is an array for each line, basically. Okay, so for line. Okay. For line. For word. Number. Okay, so then we can do if the number is less than the next number. Okay. If this number is smaller than this number, it will add 1. If this is smaller than this, a I j plus equals 1. Do we have that? Yeah, plus equals 1. So now we have this one, if this one, then this one, else, maybe, else if it's larger than. If it's larger than, maybe there's a pass here. Okay, so basically, I think if it's larger than the next one, we will take n plus equals 1. The first line, or our n, should how many numbers that were not smaller than the next. This, if this is greater, then it's not smaller than, so this means n plus 1. Okay. So then we've done this one. Now age will be maybe output. Maybe age is the first line. What the fuck? Age, maybe it's formatted number, actually. So this might be We can do F. Okay, I think this might be F. This one. Which means boom, boom, A is equal to F. Okay, and then we have A is equal to N, save text. A is updated, so we want to save. I'm going to say A. I don't know. Header is equal to H. Save array A to text file. File name A. File name A. Okay, good shit. Okay. File name A. Header, and then what the fuck would the last thing be? Oh, header and then formatted. Just 2 seconds var det. Ja. I think that's correct. Right, okay. Damn. Wait, what? So mastermind accounts for 5, 10, 15, 21, 26, 35% of the whole grade. Your entire semester. Okay, but if I can do this one and this one. In 4 minutes, which I will put to. I have 2 hours on Mastermind, which should be plenty. I feel like Mastermind might be a very easy exercise when you can like actually do it yourself, you know. I might take that back later on, but we'll see. Wait there. List. No. Wait the function. Takes in input list list sorted list and we will return what exactly. So interval 1, 2, 2, 4. Okay, that's a strange way of writing it, but again. To understand what it wants to do is more difficult on the program. Okay. Let's do in 30 minutes more. The 2 hours and 30 minutes, okay. Jag tänker rätt. Jag kan tallverdi. Okay. Jag bara bytte dem. Listeverdi venstre. Listetall venstre. If verdi. Jag vet inte varför det skriver med parentes eller. Jag är säker man kan göra det, men man kan göra det. If verdi ett eller annat x. And, okay. If för x-intervall. För x-lista. En, 2, 4, 6. Om verdi är lik x. Och so, okay, here it says basically if it's left, then the value can be equal to x. So basically, first interval you get 1. Since it's care about the left one, we need to go to the second interval, which is the same as saying 0, 1, which means 2, which returns 2. So this one is correct. If left, if true, and the value is equal to the step, basically, then we're good. But here it's saying if it's right, which means first step, first interval, 1. If it's false, We want to go to returns 1. Okay, first interval, so 1, 2, first interval, right returns 1, because it's the first interval. So if it might be another condition, maybe. So this would be if true, return. Okay, so we can do if not left so if false 2 0 ooh 0 1 2 first interval 1 2. This is the second interval left. First interval, the right number is 2. For x in list. So this is interval is 0. Interval for x in list. Damn, this shit is difficult. I'm zoning out. I'm doing this. Okay, let's focus on this one first. If target value is equal to the value if left the value. Dude, I have no fucking idea what this is asking you. Okay, let's do it ourselves and then we'll compare. Try to make sense of it. What would I do? Interval will be the list, 0, 1 element. Then we update the interval will be, you can call it like what the fuck, ni 0. Probably mistake here, but this works. Does this really not work? Interval list. This returns 1, really? is also 1. Oh yeah. No. If true and interval 0 first element, if 1 is equal to the value, return iteration. If right and interval item 2 list 2 2 is equal to if 2 is equal to 2, one, else I don't get it. List indices must be integers or slices, not tuple. But I'm not doing what? Why is it giving me the wrong place? Damn. What am I even doing at this point? I'm wasting time. Like, you know, fuck it. I was sort of sad. I'm not even sure what the best course of action here is. Okay, we will read through my answers and try to understand the simple ones. Then I just need to grind this, I guess. Just to make sure these are not swapped again. They are swapped. Oh. Who the fuck would do this? Okay. T times x gives error. T times x gives error. Okay. I gave n remainder 5 int. N remainder 5 int. Okay. I gave t minus 1 string. T minus 1 string. I gave n times x. Float. Yeah. I gave sx string. Sx is error. So s string. No fucking way that gives an error. There's absolutely no fucking way. That's insane. Okay. Damn. Why would that even be a thing in the language? So if this was just tree, then I could do this. If not, it's an error. If it's an integer, you can do this. If it's a float, you can't, even though it's an integer float. Damn, okay. Okay, I can sort of, okay, let's remember that. Any float, like if it was 3.1, that would make sense, and then it should probably throw an error, which means floats should probably throw an error, which is, okay. 8 divided by n, I guess give it an int, 8 divided by n is a float. So division is always a float, okay. Check. Okay. Let's write this down, make it official. division returns float. Wait, what do you call this? String indices. Okay, moving on. T plus n is string. T plus n. T plus n is error. Oh no. T times n is float. Oh wait, t times n. T times n. Damn. No fucking way. T plus n is string. T times n is... So t plus n is error. T times n. Okay, multiply list. T times n error. Oh wait, I misread it earlier. T times x. T times x is error. T times x is error. T times x is error. T times n is... T times n is error. This list, I mean. List multiplication. List multiplication must be integers. Which means t times n is list, yeah. T plus n will not give a string. T... What do we call this? I thought... Since you can do... you can print t plus n. That's something else on apparently. You can like add lists later. Okay, t minus 1. Wait. Age t times n. T times n. T times times n is list. Okay. .3 is not. This is the flipped. Oh no, it's the same. Okay. Not exact. Not exact. Okay, so this depends on how many decimals. So I think I like my strategy here. I wouldn't know where that border was, so yeah. I flipped the direction here. Flipped, I mean. Okay, F12 0 0 hello 0 is -2 LR is error 3L space 2R 0 3L space 2R 3L space 2R 0 no space 0 no space 0 is -1 and then nothing 0 is 0. Yeah. What direction? Okay. 1 4 2 3 1 3. Nice. This is flipped. Yes, fuck. Det är så fucking annoying att flip där. F1 and F2 is false. Is false. F2 kan ha overflytt is true. Du kan ha overflytt is true. F1 vill ha stora avräkningsfel. F1 vill ha stora avräkningsfel is true. Vill ha stora avräkningsfel is true. Hvis var väldigt liten. True. Hvis var väldigt liten. Fel, okej. Okay. Så bra. Hvis var väldigt liten. Så får vi stora avräkningsfel i F1 sen vi delar på H. I F1 om H är väldigt liten så får vi stora avräkningsfel sen vi delar på H. Uavhängigt av hur stora X är. Jag føler at jeg har svart riktig på den, men wow. Men det er feil. Det skjønner jeg ikke. F1 kan ha verdien 0 selv om begge input-verdiene er positivt og true. F1 kan ha verdien 0 selv om true. F1 er uttrykket som gir meg FN-uttrykk som utsagnings feil. Nice, ok. Så det er en feil da. Ok, så H-liten så får vi positive tall. Ok, så den er store så går det bra. Ok. Hashtag 2. 4, 5, 6. Good. B, hashtag 5. Nice. Hashtag 4 er fulle. Nice. Hashtag 6 er 6. Nice. Hashtag 1 er 3,5. Hashtag 3,5. Nice. Og hashtag 3 er 615. Hashtag 615. Det er riktig. Let's fucking go. Oh. Hæ? While true. There's no fucking way this is correct. Hva faen det spør om en gang? Skriv en funksjon input int som tar en ledetekst som input. Hvorfor i helvete skal den ta en ledetekst som input hvis du ikke bruker den til noe? Men du bruker den til noe. Men hva faen dette her? Altså... Return... Den skal ikke return... Den her jo feil. Den skal jo... Den skal vise ledeteksten. Ok, faen, ok. Is-digit tar ikke, ok. Hva var det disse da? Ok, da er det bare lurt å ikke rykke det da. Ok, da hadde løsningen bare sett ut som while true printer ledetekst. Det vi gjør sånn da, ok. Ja. While try return int input text accept value error. Ok, Och då tar den här... Ja, fan. Eske, sorted, eske. Kasse, sorted, kasse. Ja. Ja, samma grej. Ja. Plot, ny. NumPy as plot. Min data, max data. NP line space, xmin, xmax 100. Plot x, fun x, label fun. Plot scatter, data 0, data 1. Oh, it's color R. Oh, that's where. Okay. Plot legend, plot show. Okay. Color is a parameter. Okay. I feel like it's not as well. I feel like you can do this. I feel like I've seen that before. I feel like I've done this many times. Let's bring it. With file. Yeah. Open file name as f. F read line for line in f. Lines. Why the fuck would it strip it? Oh no. Oh, float. Oh no. Float. Date is a float. Fuck off. That's absolutely not a float. Wait, what? Date will be the float of date. Time. You're saying this is the date and it's a float? Oh, that's just wrong. Date time of I meant to write this, by the way. Since you take this thing, you call this string because this is a string. You can't even call this a float if you want it. Am I missing something? Date will be float around the date time and then sliced from first to 10th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To be fair, date time usage. We split it at this thing and then we strip it. We remove this. So this will still work. But this isn't a float. This is a string. Where are we? The hour is int. Hour is int. You can't even strip. This is just wrong. int date time split. Date time split. One hour is the integer. What they're saying here is that the hour is equal to this thing. It might actually be that. I said it was string equal to this thing. I guess like the object, the hour property is the value of the data, I guess. Not if date not in date hour float usage. Okay. A load file name and 0 for I in range, len if greater than a plus equals 1 else and plus equals 1. I guess you always plus. Okay, fine. F name np save text file name a header equal to age. Then it's fmt. Oh fuck me. Yeah, that's basically full point. Okay. Interval 0 for x in list. If the value is greater than x, or left or the value is greater or equal to x. I need to understand this. Okay, lunchtime. I'm gonna stream here. I might stream later. So.